Hey guys, Javen here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about what is the tubular haircut and why you should go for it. Enjoy. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So we just started 2021 and I'm sure this entire year there's going to be a lot of people who wants to know more about the tubular haircut. A tubular haircut is basically what you see on my head right now. This is what it looks like. Your first thought might be that it looks like a coconut, it looks like a mushroom, it looks like I'm wearing a wig on top of my hair. That's because it's true, it kind of looks like all of that. There's so many variations to this haircut. You know, you can rock it like this. It also depends on how high you want to cut the side of your hair, if you want to fade it, if you want to have it disconnected. As for myself right now, you can see that my hair over here, it's just straight up just shaved to one length, the same as the right side. As for my back hair, usually I like to leave it disconnected, but I went to the barber, that's why I asked him to do a more fading look. So you can see that my hair, it goes from short and sort of fades to being long. Here is from the top hair. Over here on the side hair, you can see all this is from the top that falls down. Some people out there get confused whether they should grow their side hair long, but no, for a tubular haircut, you want to keep your side hair short, the top hair is long, and those top hair will fall to the sides. And this hairstyle is great for many reasons, especially for Asian hair. And this is because in my channel as well, I talk a lot about the porcupine hair that sticks out for Asians. For Asian guys like me, when our hair is really short, it will stick out. Like porcupine, it sticks out everywhere, right? So you can see a good example over here. You can see my side hair is already trying to stick out. But when you grow your hair long enough, the gravity will actually do all the work for you and makes it go down. Which is why the tubular haircut is great for Asian guys. So to really achieve the tubular hairstyle, you want to make sure that over here, your side hair, as well as your front hair, the fringe, all over, all around, it kind of looks like a bowl, putting a bowl on your head and cutting the rest of your hair. If your top hair isn't grown out to this long, I would suggest you to hold off and grow it long enough before cutting your hair, because if not, it would just look awkward. Before really knowing how to get the tubular haircut, I would always rush my haircut, and my hair is not long enough yet, but I will still do my hairstyle and then it would just turn out really bad. So the key point is, when your top hair is long enough, that is when you should get the tubular haircut. When it's still growing out, or when your top hair over here, it's, let's say it's this length over here, and if you cut your side hair, it would just stick out, like your top hair will kind of stick out. So you really want to wait the extra 1 to 3 months before your hair is long enough. As for your hair type, you can get this hairstyle even if your hair is straight like mine. If your hair is wavy or curly, you can also get the tubular haircut. The only difference is that your hair will have the wavy tubular haircut look. Or you can also use the hair straightener to straighten your hair. You can see how it looks when the hair is wavy. If you naturally have curly hair, you can also rock this look. So you can see this Asian guy here. He actually permed it to be curly, but you see, if you have curly hair, you can do this as well. As for how long you should grow the tubular haircut, you can either have a shorter tube-lock, medium hair tube-lock, or a longer hair tube-lock. And all of them will look great as well. It's all down to personal preference. If you're unsure of which hair length to get, I would suggest just to experiment, you know, starting with the shorter tubular hairstyle, growing it longer and longer. For me, a good method that I do for myself is that every time I achieve this hairstyle, after 3 weeks or so, I would actually cut the side of my hair myself. So over here, I'll just use my hair trimmer, trim it, and trim the lower back. Let my top hair grow as long as possible, and over time, all my hair here will slowly grow longer, right? And that's when you can experiment to see what hairstyle you like. A big reason why I have the tubular hairstyle is I just enjoy having my forehead being covered by hair. So right now you can see they're all just covered. However, if you want a more professional look, you can also do that. Depending on what hairstyle you want on the specific day, you can either part your hair in the middle, so like this, and then over here just find your natural hair parting, part it like that. Or you can also, you know, push some hair to the left side, and then just use your fingers. You know, as simple as this, you can suddenly have a different hairstyle showing a part of your forehead. First, use some hair wax just to, you know, shape your hair, and then use hairspray to lock everything in place. Or, let's see, what else I can do. If you want more volume on the back, you can also use your fingers here just to push like that, just to make it, you know, appear more upward. and then, you know, just hairspray everything just to lock everything in place again. Just by doing this, it's just transformation for you to, you know, go to a more formal interview maybe, or doing a presentation. And if you prefer to have a more laid-back hairstyle, you can just cover your forehead with your hair, and that's it. Just want to show you on my Instagram here how my hair looks if I put it to the top. And you can see my top hair on the left. Usually this falls to the sides. However, because I'm using hair wax and hairspray, everything just slicks back and stays in place, as well as the top hair. And this is another hairstyle that I do with my tubular haircut, where I just sweep one side to the right side and then this to the left side. And this is me as a baby ready to grow the tubular haircut. It's growing really slowly. This is why so many people enjoy the tubular hairstyle, because you can either put it all up, you can put it all down, you can make it a little bit part, the side part, or you can make a curl-on hairstyle. You know, there's so many options for this hair. It looks great with or without hair products, and for me personally, I don't really enjoy using hair products like gel, so it works great for me. Also, if you want to pretend to be like a Korean idol, you can just dye your hair after having this hairstyle, and from afar, people would think that you're a K-pop idol as well. So overall, this hairstyle is great for young and old people. If you're younger, you can swap your hair to the sides like this just to make yourself look a little bit older. If you're an older person and you want to look younger, have the tubular hairstyle, push your bangs like this, and instantly you will take a few years off your age. Now, before I had this tubular hairstyle, I felt like I look a little bit older. This is me and my grandma before I got the tubular haircut. And you can see that my side hair is not short, it's just regular, about the same length at the top. For a tubular haircut, it's opposite, okay? So you want your side hair to be short, your top hair to be long enough that falls to the sides. I'm actually 25 years old this year, and can you tell with this hairstyle? Maybe not. So if you're someone who wants to try the tubular hairstyle for the year 2021, and how do you know this is right for you, right? So I'm gonna give you a few tips. Number one, if you want a relatively easy maintenance hairstyle. Number two, if you want to be able to rock many different kind of hairstyles in a single haircut, this tubular haircut is good for you. Number three, if you want to look older or younger, just by fixing your hairstyle in a different way, you can achieve that effect. Number four, if you want to save money in the long run, because you can easily shave the side of your hair yourself, or if you want to cut the tubular haircut yourself at home as well, I have many videos regarding that you can check out in the bio description down below. The main reason I want to tell this to you guys is because, you know, money is hard to earn, and for me, I'm trying to save up for a down payment to buy a place, and that's also another reason, so every bit of saving helps. Number five, a fast hairstyle that you can do before going out, you know, to do your chores or do your activities. Basically, if I can just go out like this, I don't mind, without any hair products at all. Or if you're someone who likes using hair products, you can use some hair wax on the top of your hair, blow dry a little bit, and then there you have it. So this guy over here has a really long tubular hairstyle, and if you really wanted to, you can pull all the hair back and make a man bun like that. I was actually seriously thinking of growing a man bun, but at the last minute I just bailed on that idea and decided to get a haircut instead. Did I make the right choice? Should I grow the man bun? You know, let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any comments about the tubular haircut, or if you're planning to try it for 2021, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. Until next time, this is Javian Fong signing off.